Hello there. If you're watching this, you are a current or future technology leader committed for growth and impact. Welcome to Digital Leadership Library. I am Raj Polanki, your CIO partner and digital leadership mentor. Let me give you a little bit introduction about me. I have more than 27 years of IT experience. I worked as a consultant, programmer, architect, project manager, delivery lead, head of data, and IT director. At present, I'm a CIO of a US division of a global company. I'm an author and keynote speaker. I have an MBA from top US University, Michigan Ross School of Business, and I have an advanced executive certificate from MIT Management Sloan School. I also have many industry proven certifications which are recognized at multiple areas. And I am founded futurecIOclub.com with a mission to develop tomorrow's technology leaders because we believe better leaders create a better world. With that, let's talk about digital world, what we are living in at present. The technology is a differentiator. It is no more good to have for any businesses, whether it is a coffee selling business or pizza business or car manufacturer. Technology is the differentiator. And few factors to explain that. Reinventing customer experience. Every company is looking at how do we improve customer experience, whether with a mobile app or by reducing the friction for customers' journey. And optimizing operational efficiencies. We are living in the world where we get delivered from Amazon in the same day, if not in next couple of hours. How is it possible? By leveraging technology and achieving the maximum operational efficiency. Driving innovation and product development. Every company who's going through innovation or product development, they are leveraging technology. Tesla, autonomous driving, is changing the automobile industry. And expanding market reach and scalability. The digital organizations who are born just few years back, they become world leaders and providing either entertainment or services at a scale which was not possible in the past. So it is clear we are living in the digital world. Technology is the differentiator. Now, talking about our digital future, let's look at these three factors here. 84% of CEOs believe AI will create entirely new business models by 2030. That is by PwC. And McKinsey estimates that AI automation could replace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. And 60% of workers globally believe they will need new skills by 2030, according to World Economic Forum. All these three stats is pretty true, right? Based on where we are at present, the technology what seems to be shiny today is becoming old tomorrow, and large enterprises investing multiple billions of dollars in getting generative AI into mainstream in everything what we do. So in this digital world, with this digital future, we need a modern digital leadership skill set. We cannot leverage or rely on the past digital leadership skill set. We need modern. What do I mean by this? And this is the dial, what you're seeing. It's developed from 10 years of research and practical insights from 50 plus C-level executives. Digital leaders at core, they have three skill domains they need to have. The business acumen, no matter whether they are business leader or technology leader, they need to understand the business, what they're working on. And then people leadership. People is common across organizations, right? Cultivating culture of digital fluency within your team and enabling other team members, working with the customers, partners. The people leadership is another key skill domain. And then technology proficiency. We're not expecting everybody to start coding tomorrow, but every leader, the digital leader, needs to understand how to leverage technology so that they can ask the right question, they can visualize the better future for their organization. When you have all these three skill domains, you can develop strategy of a better future for the company and lead the transformation towards that, and work on innovative initiatives which could help organization. and implement automation and achieve the efficiencies which were not even dreamable in the past. And AI is the center of every future innovation. And ultimately, have agile leadership, because things are changing and change is only constant. So for this exact reason, the digital leadership skill set is what we have put it into our digital leadership library. The purpose of this library is empower your leadership for growth and impact for this digital world. This program is having multiple video courses, ebooks, and materials designed to transform traditional leadership approaches into dynamic, impactful strategies that not only ensure survival but also foster thriving growth and significant contributions to your organizations and world at large. So, what is inside? To enhance leadership acumen, elevate your leadership skills to master the complexities of the digital era, and drive meaningful impact, make substantial contributions to your organizations and beyond, shaping the future of the world here. And career advancement, secure and solidify your leadership trajectory. And lead transformation, spearhead digital transformation projects that redefine industry standards and practices. And finally, refine executive skills. You could acquire top-tier executive abilities to navigate, influence, and succeed in high-stakes environment. That is the intention, that is the purpose of the digital leadership library, what we put together. And what is there inside, if you want to go a little more deeper, it has MBA level executive courses, ebooks, frameworks, and a lot more. It starts with understanding what is the world we live in this modern digital world, and what is the role of a digital leader who can leverage technology and deliver business value. And then we need to understand technologies, data technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, IoT, cybersecurity, and these are all the core technologies which we are building this digital future. And then digital strategy. A leadership cannot be effective if we don't have a strategic mindset. How do we acquire a strategic mindset? We need to know what's possible, what the future can be, develop that vision and develop that strategy to how do we get there, and then lead the transformation. It is not implementing technology. It is transforming the business with the digital technologies. That is what digital business transformation. And then innovation. Run experiments, develop something what's not in mainstream at present, but what could help and reshape your organization. And agile frameworks. Many of you might be knowing, okay, Scrum and Agile Manifesto, those are for individual team level. Well, those frameworks are very critical in this new world of product development and agile leadership. But what about enterprise level? How do we achieve that enterprise agility? And then what are the key pillars for a successful digital transformation means? And how do you lead irrespective of whichever role you are at present? And then digital literacy, what does it mean? And then how do you build this digital culture in your organization so that not just the projects, but the people are transformed with the better skills and gaining unique perspectives to contribute to the organization's success in this digital world? And practical case studies and many more bonuses part of this digital library. And you might be asking, like, how do I got all these things put together there? Is just out of random sequence? No, this is a world-class executive curriculum, because I built this not just from my experience, from my interactions with hundreds of top executives, chief information officers, chief data officers, digital officers, technology officers, and even executive officers. So from their perspective and my experience combined together, it's extensive industry experience. And not just practical experience. I worked closely with many research institutes and professors and academic programs I participated. So I learned a lot from their executive programs and leading university research papers as well. Not just universities. There are research organizations like Gartner and Forrester, and they publish papers because that's their mainstream of work. And I learned a lot from them also, because their job is to understand where we are going tomorrow. And that research is backed to develop this curriculum. And it's not just that, these are the knowledge which I put together into this curriculum from a lot of books and professional courses and global conferences. And then last not the least, I personally have a group of individuals who are helping me to enhance my knowledge as my advisory, and I took their inputs and developed this world-class executive curriculum. And that is what you're going to get out of this digital leadership library. So you may ask question, okay, how would this digital leadership library can help you? So irrespective of where you are, if I have to put together organization levels into these 5 groups, level 1 are individual contributors, level 2 are managers, level 3 directors, and level 4 vice presidents, and level 5 CEO or board members, right? So irrespective of where you are in the spectrum, let's say you are in the level 1, level 2. This digital leadership library can help you as you are an emerging leader and you have aspirations to move up. This program can help you secure your path, make you more valuable and visible. If you are already in the mid-level leadership to the top, as a top-level leader, this can act as a DNA map and accompanying digital leadership qualities to serve as a strategic checklist for you. You can utilize the frameworks to enhance your leadership, impactful leadership, and you can develop emerging leader within your organizations and drive comprehensive digital transformation. So no matter where you are in the spectrum, you could leverage the resources from digital leadership library to secure your growth as a leader and make an impact in your organization. So what is there in digital leadership library? It has courses, the content, frameworks, ebooks, checklist, and its community. The people who are passionate about digital leadership, they got together into this community. And then you will be also having webinars, live calls, coaching calls as well. So are you ready to transform your leadership journey from surviving to thriving to making an impact? Survival is everybody has to go through initially. At that stage, we will look at generally our work performance. We just want to secure our position. We want to gain recognition. But that is not this leadership library about. That is for thriving. That's next stage, where we are exceeding expectations, we are contributing value and feeling valued as well. And that is also not for a digital leadership library. The next level is the impact. That is a true leadership journey. We want to learn and adapt, push boundaries, make a dent. And who said that? Steve Jobs. We are here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be here? And with that quote, I want to say one more thing, that AI will not replace you, because you are becoming the digital leader who leverages AI and tech to drive business value. I will see you inside Digital Leadership Library.